Short-term thinkers are selling the stock of Honeywell.
Honeywell, one of America's biggest industrial giants, is breaking into three separate companies, and Wall Street is not happy about it. Some say it's about growth and unlocking value. But what if I told you this wasn't Honeywell's choice? Activist investors forced this split. And the real reason? It's got nothing to do with making Honeywell stronger, and everything to do with big money taking control. Oh, and get this. The stock tanked right after the announcement. Stick around, because once you see what's really going on, you'll never look at corporate breakups the same way again. Something's up, fellas. So, here's what's happening. Honeywell is splitting into three independent companies. Number 1, Aerospace Technologies, Aviation, Defense, and Space Innovation. Number 2, Automation Solutions, Industrial Automation and Smart Tech. Number 3, Advanced Materials, Chemicals, Performance Materials, and Energy Solutions. Sounds good, right? More focus, more innovation. That's what they're telling us. But let's be real. This is about activist investors pushing Honeywell to break up so they can cash in. And the market? It's not buying it. Honeywell's stock dropped over 5% in a single day after the news, wiping out billions in value. Downward trend. Why? Because investors know how this story ends. They've seen it before with GE, Johnson & Johnson, and others. Real quick, if you're finding this interesting, hit that like button so more people see it. And if you love deep business breakdowns, subscribe because I've got even crazier stories coming up. And here's what they don't want you to know. This isn't just about Honeywell. This is a play straight out of the Wall Street playbook. Big investors break up companies, weaken them, and sell the pieces for maximum profit. Think of it like a football team. You've got a solid squad, great chemistry, but suddenly the owners trade away your best players and split the team in half. What happens? They get paid, but the team falls apart. Same thing here. Big investors win. Small investors, they get left in the dust. And here's the real kicker. This might just be the beginning. Elliott Management, a well-known activist hedge fund, took a stake in Honeywell months before the breakup was announced. Elliott has a history of pushing major companies to restructure for short-term stock gains. This pattern has been seen with companies like GE and Johnson & Johnson. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love uncovering corporate secrets, subscribe, because my next video exposes something even bigger.